Does your dog constantly bother you for food? Does he follow you around the house, begging you always? Have you mistrained your dog and now he's all of a sudden a spoiled brat? Well, I have the solution to your problem right here. This is a dog treat catapult that will launch any dog treat that you load up into it upon applying a force to a force-sensitive resistor. That will give you a good 5 seconds of relief from this demon beast. Taking a look at the hardware of the project, you have the sensing component with the force-sensitive resistor, or FSR, going in as part of a voltage divider. The voltage between the sensor and resistor being measured through this white wire into pin A0. For the actuation components, you have pin 9 being measured by this yellow wire into the servo motor, supplying the pulse width modulated signal to hold it at specific angles. You also have pin 7 connected through this lower yellow wire going into an LED. At its resting state, the force-sensitive resistor has a resistance close to 1 mega ohm per its spec sheet. Thus, the voltage at pin A0 is at or close to 5 volts. When the Arduino is reading that 5 volt voltage, it is also sending the pulse width modulated signal appropriately to hold the servo at its resting state, which is not pulling on the lever arm of the catapult. Once a force is applied to the FSR, its resistance drops, thus the voltage at pin A0 drops. And once that is read, the Arduino sends a different pulse width modulated signal to the servo motor to hold it at a different angle, pulling back on the lever of the catapult. When that is also happening, the Arduino is writing pin 7 high, allowing the LED to light up. Looking at the Arduino serial monitor, you can see at its resting state, the voltage is close to 5 volts or 1023 bits as read by the Arduino Uno. However, once a force is applied to the resistor, the voltage drops below 5 volts. And once the force is not applied, it jumps back up to 1023 bits. As for the processing component of the project, there's a display with a dog simply waiting. Everything's calm. He's waiting for his treat to be launched. But once the force is applied to the sensor, everything goes crazy. The dog's super excited because the treat has been launched from the catapult. Taking a look at the project in action, here we have a paper wad in place of a dog treat to avoid having unnecessary food around the house. We're going to load it up, latch back the catapult, put the paper actually inside of it, and once you apply a force, the servo motor pulls back on the lever arm, releasing the catapult and whatever object is inside of it. Okay, Paul, right here,